Welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex, and today I will show you how easy it is to install the electronic module with analog interfaces for our MAGIO circulators. Our electronic module is available as an accessory. It's a plug-and-play solution that can be installed within only a few minutes. I would like to show you how easy it is. First of all, you have to switch off the MAGIO and disconnect it from the mains voltage. Then you take a Torx screwdriver in size 10, loosen the screws, and remove this plate where the electronic module will be inserted afterwards. Let's have a look at the module. You can see the pins of the electronic module here and the socket at the MAGIO here. Insert the electronic module into the opening and carefully push it to the left side. In the final step, just refasten the screws. That's it. You can now reconnect the device to the mains voltage. The MAGIO will automatically identify the module and all menu options will be available and ready to use. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.